The Supreme Court has struck down electoral bonds as unconstitutional. The Apex Court has directed the State Bank of India to stop issuing electoral bonds with immediate effect and submit data of all donors to the Election Commission of India. The opposition is hailing this verdict as historic. The BJP says the aim of electoral bonds was to bring transparency, and the verdict will have no impact on the elections.
A 7-year-old election funding system scrapped. The Supreme Court has ruled electoral bonds to be unconstitutional.
The electoral bond scheme and the impugned provisions, to the extent that they infringe upon the right to information of the voter by anonymizing contributions through electoral bonds, are violative of Article 19(1)(a). We have applied the proportionality standard to determine if the infringement of the right to information is justified.
Introduced in 2017 and first sold in 2018, the secretive electoral bonds were touted as revolutionary for political donations. Critics argued that the anonymity provided by the scheme led to corruption and an unfair advantage among political parties.
At a primary level, political contributions give a seat at the table to the contributor. That is, it enhances access to legislators. This access also translates into influence over policy making.
Individuals or companies could buy tax-exempt bonds ranging from 1,000 rupees to 1 crore rupees from the SBI, which were then given to chosen political parties and later exchanged for cash. Data showed that between 2018 and March 2022, the majority of these donations went to the BJP. Headed by the CGI, the 5-judge bench directed the State Bank of India to cease issuing electoral bonds, reveal buyer identities, and provide information on bond redemption by political parties. The Supreme Court's decision came in response to petitions challenging the amendments made by the Finance Act 2017 that established the electoral bonds scheme.
Big day for Indian democracy, big day for transparency, big day for the right to information under 19(1)(a), big day for striking out clearly unconstitutional provisions, big day for bringing transparency into the political system, big day for exposing political parties who are participating in scams, biggest scams in the history of this country in the last many years. It's a big day for many, many, many reasons.
The opposition welcomed the decision. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi denounced electoral bonds as a means for kickbacks.
How can 95% of the proceeds of electoral bonds go to one political party, which is the ruling party? Therefore, our question is, in lieu of that money, have you sold, have you given coal mines to those companies? Have you allowed those companies to operate airports? What is the quid pro quo? This is our question.
Conversely, the BJP maintained that the scheme aimed to bring transparency to electoral donations.
चुनाव में सुधार के लिए ये हमारी मोदी जी की सरकार का एक प्रयास नहीं था। आपको याद होगा, वोटर लिस्ट पर आपकी फोटो छपती है, ये भी उस समय हुआ था ना। आज बड़ी संख्या में जो ईवीएम्स लाए गए, उससे बूथ कैप्चरिंग बंद हुई है ना। ये भी उसी प्रामाणिक प्रयास में चुनाव को पारदर्शी बनाने का प्रयास था। अब माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक फैसला किया है, तो हम उनका सम्मान करते हैं।
This ruling arrives nearly 2 months ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. With Nalini Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.